guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Christine, with you, and today we are going to declutter and organize my little closet, or two little closets. Mission is make a list of things that I actually need in my closet, not just want. It's easier for you to understand what to shop for next time when you are going shopping or when you urge shopping, but you actually at least buy something you need and then you know that that money is well spent. You can, if you want, put this while you are organizing your closet. My closets are pretty messy, and that's one of the reasons I want to make all the cleaning and all the organizing and decluttering. Just let's get started. I put everything on ground. I understood it's so much easier. I also put summer clothing so I could organize everything. I'm going to kind of separate them into piles. Now let's get started. These pajama pants are my all-time life favorite pajama pants. I have them for I think some 10 years from New Yorker. They are washed out, like they look kind of horrible, but time to let them go. Most likely for my body. This top, it's beautiful top, but it is so horrible because you need to iron it every single time. Therefore, I don't wear it only because of that. My favorite summer skirt that I bought from Shein. If you're interested in my fashion, follow my Like to Know It app, because I always post fashion finds in general and what I wear and my outfits and everything about even interior and beauty, all the sales. I post always every time there's sale. I finished with this closet. This is all that I'm throwing out. I'm really proud of myself. It's more than I was expecting, but it's really like everything that's like just too old, too big, too just doesn't look good on me. And a hanger that broke. Then this dress that I just saw, and I want to put it in my other closet, which is like principal closet, so I don't forget about it. Maybe I can wear it sometime. Extra hanger that it's always good. That one I want to try DIY. I want to try to make from this kind of like a crop top and skirt. I will see how it goes. If you want to see a video of me doing that, then comment down below and like this video. And this is army t-shirt. I just have too many like just normal t-shirts. I could also make like some cute cropped top maybe that I would use way more. Then these are tops to wash. I don't know, I always find something to wash which is like dirty, always, like every single time. And now it's time to go to the other closet. As I said, I have not really organized anything here or cleaned out. Firstly, I'm going to put away my laundry. Guys, everything is clean. I put away laundry. I kind of put the puzzle underneath the cover so you cannot see it, and I think I'm going to throw just clothing on the bed so it will be easier to see. I have two of these sides. This one's kind of a good side. It's almost like kind of everything that I actually wear at some point, at least for some photos or something. Maybe I just need to organize it a better. This one I will throw on the bed so I can actually understand and I can just organize it. I just need to really organize it. Here it's like disasters. I hope to get to that as well. I will be honest with you, I am so hungry that my head hurts, and now I just want to organize back and then go eat. This dress I'm thinking to sell just because it's way too big for me, and also way too long, kind of. It's good quality. I just worn it once, I think, and sometimes for some videos I have worn it and that's it. Then I have these jeans that I need to put to wash. This I need to put in another closet. I'm happy that this I organized long time ago, just because I always sit and it really bothers me when it looks bad. It's kind of displayed like this. I'm kind of proud of how it looks like. So this one I didn't need to organize or anything, it just looks cute as it is. Around 2 hours or so, or maybe even more. I'm so hungry. We are finally done with this. I just want to let you know what I wrote in my kind of wish list or shopping list. What I really need are shoes. I really need footwear for spring and summer. Another thing is black leggings or just normal, literally cotton black leggings. Then I really want this white kind of boyfriend man type of shirt that you can like style up and do like a lot of fun stuff and make it like edgy while still classy. Denim shorts. Then I just need some summer spring dresses, some leather leggings. With leather leggings I'm having from Amazon, so you will need to watch that haul. White bikini. And as a treat for you, I thought I'm going to show you Pimkie mini haul. This is that. In stores, I love to go to their sections when they're like discounted stuff. I just bought really cute stuff for summer and spring. I literally bought just 3 simple tops. It gets really hot in summer here. I bought 3 because they had offer. If you buy 3, then you pay only for 2, and I bought them for 10 euros, 3 tops. They're like crop tops, and what I loved were that they have like V-neck. Pastels now are in style, so I thought it will be really cute with like jeans. And then this is such a cute top, and it was also just 10 euros. And for like this like detailed, cute, feminine like top, I think it's good price. I thought with black denim, oh, it will look bomb. However, I do not like these sleeves, kind of because I have already big shoulders. But I thought I'm going to work it out. That's for that. I want to eat so bad. I'm going to go make some avocado salmon salad, I think. I hope you love this video. If you want more organized DIY tips, everything, comment down below what you